What is up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2017 Honda Rebel 500. This is a nice little machine. I actually have ridden this thing around quite a bit, and I really enjoyed it. Let's take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Starting back here in the back, tires are in really nice shape. I did forget to mention this thing has like 500 miles on it, so I'm pretty sure these are the factory tires, and they are in great shape. Of course, you have your license plate over there, you have your 2 turn signals, and you got your tail light. Kind of got that retro looking tail light there. Everything here on the rear fender's in good shape. I think all these little marks that I saw were just little like pieces of dust. Yeah, something there. Yeah, these are all just coming right off. There is one mark right there, right on my pointer finger. That is, oh, I'm sorry, that was a piece of dirt too. I got most of these off. So there's that. There's the black rear wheel. Has the factory exhaust. You can see that there. It does have the solo seat. It's in really nice shape too. Like I said, I mean, with 500 miles, this thing's hardly been used. Got the neon green tank. Got your Honda badge there. The one little mark right there. I just want to point out. Of course, you have your rider peg and your rear brake. Here on the motor, show you that as much as I can. There you go. Jump up here in the front. Of course, you have that black wheel, and there's your front brake there on this side. There's your fork tubes there. They're in nice shape, upper and lower. I mean, like I said, there are no miles on this bike. This thing is almost new. There's your fork tubes on this side. There's that black wheel. It's a good look. Here's your front fender. That one little mark right there. Thought that was going to be a little piece of dirt. I think it is. What's these little white specks on here? Not really sure what they are, but there they are. Again, there's your front tire. Great shape there. 500 miles on it. Looking up here, that neon tank again. That was just a little piece of dirt. There's all that. Of course, you have your ignition here on the side. Try to show you as much of the motor as I can. Down here we have your rider peg, shifter. Of course, you have your kickstand. This bike is chain driven, so there's that. Of course, you have your chain guard. All that going back to the rear sprocket. There's your rear suspension. Already saw the back tire, already saw the fenders. I did want to show you, there's the rear suspension on this side. I forgot to just show you that. Up over the rear fender. Seat, again, like I mentioned earlier, is in really nice shape. Got some of these little white specks on them. They're just coming off with my fingernail. So that is that. Went up over the tank. Got your fuel cap. Of course, you have your clutch there, throttle, front brake, all these controls there and there. Let's turn it on. Like I said, 500 miles, 509 miles. There will be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube. Let's fire it up. There is that. Let's make sure these turn signals work. There's your front signal on this side. And your front signal on this side. Jumping in the back. On there. And the rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2017 Honda Rebel 500. Make sure you check out the test drive of this bike. If you're interested in it, check it out at Srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.